We have seen lots and lots about TCP in our previous videos. Today, we will learn about one more transport layer protocol called User Datagram Protocol UDP. UDP is connectionless, unreliable transport protocol which provides service like process to process communication. So in this video, we will see the UDP header and its applications. So let's start. When data coming from the application layer to the transport layer, UDP adds the 8 bytes header. If we will see inside the header, the first 16 bits are source port number. This is the port number used by process running on the source host. The port number can range from 0 to 65535. If the source host is the client, the port number in most cases is an ephemeral port number like 52625, which is greater than 1023 requested by the process and chosen by the UDP software running on the source host. Next, 16 bits are for destination port number. This is the port number used by process running on the destination host. If the destination host is the server, the port number in most cases is a well-known port number between 0 to 1023. So if you are using SNMP services, UDP takes the destination well-known port number 161. Next, 16 bits field defines the total length of the user datagram. I mean UDP header plus data. Last 16 bits are for the checksum, which is used to detect errors over the entire user datagram containing header and data. UDP is connectionless protocol. So each packet is independent from other packets sent by the same application. Therefore, UDP is suitable for services like DNS, in which client and server exchange only one message in each direction. Apart from that, UDP does not provide the error control and congestion control, but still it is used in management processes like SNMP, routing information protocol, and some real-time applications. So this is all about UDP. In the next video, we will compare UDP with TCP. Till then, take care. If you like this video, press like and subscribe the channel and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video notifications. Thanks for watching.